All right, here back in the shop, what we've got is we got 4 GT560s with CL55s with a smart cart system on it. We'll be doing an install on 4 of these grain carts. All 4 of them are 1150 J&M grain carts. All 4 tractors are 620 RXs. And again, like I said, we've got the 4 GT560s here. Kind of like last time, take a look at how this is all assembled on the back. You've got your CL55 here. You've got your mounting plate, the silver mounting plate that this will mount directly into with the mounting bolts. You've got your telematics, which is your purple and your red. You got your GPS, which is your blue. And you've got your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is your gold cable. So all 4 of those cables will be connected, no different than it would be with any other CL55. And then you've got your antenna, double sticky tape to the top of the GT560. This is about the best way that we found for the configuration of how to get this thing set up and to make sure it goes directly with the GT560 no matter what grain cart tractor you're going to be plugged into. On the bottom, like every other GT560, you got your load cell interface. This is going to plug directly into your J-box. You've got your serial and comms. This is what's going to tie in with your auto log. You've got your power, so we've got the separate power cable that will plug up into the cab. You've got your accessory, and this will tie into your moisture sensor. And you got GPS, which won't be used in this because the GPS is going to be coming off of the CL55 on the back. And then you also have your USB port. So if you want to download data directly off USB, that's where you can get it from there. If you want to use the smart card system and have it directly go up into tap wirelessly, automatically after every load, you'll use the CL55.